Ebsford are an environmental contractor. We specialise in improving the natural environment and the built environment for the public and nature.
The Newton Park project is one of a number of projects that addresses both flood alleviation and river restoration.
So this park was a very run-down site prior to this project. It wasn't used by many local people. The local schools weren't able to access it very well, but the project will regenerate the area and people will be able to access the site better.
We were invited by Harrow to join in and evolve what was originally a flood alleviation scheme. The scheme, though, has evolved to include not just flood defences, it's improving the environment, biodiversity and water quality through the park.
Park users will see tremendous benefits. In addition to the visual improvement of the park, the added infrastructure that we're putting in place here will certainly help. We're putting in a footpath and cycleway link that links one end of the park to the other, and also some less formal routes around the scheme itself, which will include 2 footbridges and a viewing platform. We're also improving the access of Malvern Avenue and creating a wide, more welcoming access there that will hopefully encourage more people to come and view this new feature.
In terms of benefiting local people, the most obvious one is the flood defence, the hard flood defence wall. That is fundamentally designed to protect the properties in immediate location against flooding, and so it's a really serious improvement for them.
Unfortunately, a number of trees had to be removed for the construction, but the vast majority were in very poor condition. During the next tree planting season, we will replace significantly more than were removed.
What Ebsford, I believe, can do to help clients in similar situations is always deliver the fundamentals. So if it's a flood defence scheme, it needs to deliver the flood defences. This site is about the people, the environment and the local infrastructure. So if we've got the local infrastructure and the flooding side nailed down, then we can look at how can we improve the environment for nature. So we've got the wetland cells, for example. The spoil from the wetland cells isn't going off to landfill or anything like that. It's being reused on the site, and far from being a burden, it's actually created an opportunity to create a much more naturalised 3-dimensional landscape. So the user experience, the amenity value is increased for the public as well.